Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at dollar yen, but first of all we're going to be having a little look at the US dollar index. We're going to be trying to identify what could potentially be happening here as the market is in a retracement phase. So we can see that the market has recently formed new lower lows as price broke through this daily channel in here, but recently price has formed a very strong bullish close. The data from the US yesterday had some strong ISM numbers, and price has closed higher on the dollar index. So we are in the midst of a retracement phase towards the previous structure lows. So what we could identify as some potential long opportunities on the US dollar until price gets to this 92.50 area. If price then starts to form some reversal patterns or bearish patterns, we could expect maybe the dollar to move a little bit lower. But looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see here the nice little higher high and higher low pattern going on, where the price has formed a move up, back in, forming the higher low. Now we have a higher high. So what I'm looking for really is if price can pull back into this area here, start to form some bullish price action, we could expect the dollar to rally slightly higher before either seeing a continuation move or a breakout and move higher. I'm more leaning towards that we're going to see a move down. However, at the moment price is currently retesting structure and finding some support. So if I go a little bit further in and have a little look at the 15-minute at this area, we can see that the price has reacted. Now, in line with a 4-hour impulse move, what we would expect to see is a 15-minute change of trend. At the moment, the trend is lower or down because we're getting lower lows and lower highs again. So if we were to get a higher low, we could start to anticipate that dollar buying move coming into play here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on the US dollar. So if I actually go over now to dollar yen and we highlight what's going on there. So bring in a new chart. Just going to pop on the trend move. So what we're looking for essentially was a move to the upside, because we've got this really nice bullish engulfing candle yesterday that bounced off of these previous structure lows down in here, where the market has found some buyers in the past, just down through here and down through here. So what I'm looking for was a pullback and a continuation move. Now we may not get that pullback because the yen has been a little bit weaker recently, but it is still something to take or to be aware of, because if I grab the fib and go from the high to the low, you can see here it's around about the 50% retracement move is what we're looking for, because if we go down into that 4-hour area, we can see here that price recently found some support, breakthrough, found resistance. So what we're looking for really is for price to come back down into this area, form that double top and move to the upside. We may not get that because, like I said, the yen's been a little bit weaker. So what we may actually get instead is a break above yesterday's highs, a close above, a retest of them, and then a move higher as well. But a couple of different options to watch there on dollar yen if we do get that move out of the US dollar index. And what you'd be looking for is keeping an eye on the dollar index, looking for the price to hit that resistance. If it does, you can look to bank a position here and see what happens next. But dollar yen's looking good for some potential long opportunities. I prefer the pullback into the 50% retracement of yesterday's price action because of this daily chart. Let's see if we can get that. Hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.